You see, that's why I defined the words. I think what you meant is what's the difference between an equity fund and a debt fund. But I'm going to define for you the three terms: an equity fund, a mortgage fund, and a debt fund. You may want to write it down. An equity fund, you own properties, there is an equity stake. So you're going to actually make money from rent and appreciation, and you're going to pay a percentage of the rent to the investors and a percentage of the appreciation upside. That's an equity fund. A debt fund, you're going to invest in various real estate assets and loans and credits and buy and sell and buy and restructure and do all this. And a debt fund is paying it. The investors are coming in not for equity position, but like a bond. They want a steady return that is actually secured against all the real estate that's in that fund. They're investing in the fund has all that, so they like it. It's lower risk because it's like a mutual fund. Mortgage funds are just set up to lend money secured by real estate, and they actually make money from interest. So the debt fund really, actually, the reason I tell you I have the best structure, it's actually the best of all worlds, because you have the steady return from the rent and cash flow and cash outs. You're able to do loans and buy mortgages just like a mortgage fund. You're able to use Class C shares to give them a kicker profit just like an equity fund. How beautiful is that? It's so beautiful. It brings tears to my eyes. I'm just playing. Okay.